Hello, everyone. Tobi here. I'm excited to be streaming today. Um, Thank you all for waiting. Also, sorry for the big delay. That's like the computer and stuff. So, because I'm just like waking up and stuff. Can everybody hear me? Drex, can you confirm if you can hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can, loud and clear. So, today we're basically we're going to be streaming and talking about million stuff and from Twitter. I love the work. Oh, thank you very much, Toby. Somebody named Toby is in the comments. So yeah, we're going to be basically going through some of the updates. We've had a million and maybe talk about some of the things, and then we go on to actually making documentation. Um,
Okay.
very- so Aiden gave a
Uh,
video. I had this conversation with Aiden, and then we came up with a Google Drive video of updates to make to the documentation. So we're going to watch that live and probably we jot them down then to see the changes we are going to be making that in there and the documentation when we get there. But for to start with, we're just going to like go through some of the updates we had. We've had a million really. So
okay, okay.
so let's go to Twitter. That's a good start from. So a couple of weeks back, Million announced version 3.0. Million announced version 3.0 and it was pretty much very crazy because version 3.0 was the version that we've been planning for like a very long while. And it was the launch, which basically uh, was us like really how do I put it? Was refactoring the compiler, making so many updates to to the existing implementation that we had, the Million compiler. So it also involves additional fixes like fixing slots. One of the biggest issues people had with using the four components, for example, for list for optimizer engine, and then with blocks as well at times. We have like this slots issue where it always like has issues with slots and everything.
Okay.
So
Hey, Toby, I think your microphone is kind of like, I don't know, it's coming out, but it's 5 minutes. No, it's like there's a foam on it or something.
there's what
It's not, it's not coming out like very, very clear, basically.
not very clear. Let me see.
Yeah, sometimes.
How about now?
Yeah, but I can, okay, yeah, it's good.
So version 3.0 was the version that Million had launched a couple of days back. We haven't released it yet because it's still in the works and it's just a couple of days left until we finally launch it and release out there for people to have it and use it. The benefits and the things that it has packed in is a lot. Starting from factoring the compiler, making it faster, and having so much more fixes in several aspects that the old compiler for having million self application did not have. We have fixes for slots now. The slots issue that people had with components like before for its optimizer engine and stuff. And
Okay.
yeah, the 3.0 is something that I'm excited for, and I can't wait to try out and use in public. So yeah, users, you all out there, fans of Million, should watch out for version 3.0. Yeah, because it's going to be super
Looking
awesome.
forward.
So yeah, and then you may have seen like 2 days ago, at least 2 days ago. Yes, 2023. So
I
maybe
believe.
like
At 23rd, sorry.
what did you say?
No, 23rd, 23rd. I was mixed up with dates in my head. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So a couple of days ago, we released the Million Copilot. A Million Copilot is basically the Million AI that we've been like talking about a lot and demoing and been showing asking people to join the waitlist for. So the Million Copilots is this really awesome stuff that we've been like talking about here. And it basically does auto analysis of your components from your browser and in development mode, and then it can tell you, oh, you need this and this optimizations to make these components faster. So it doesn't even necessarily have to be you using anything million related. It's just suggesting optimizations directly for you um based on your projects and everything. And all you have to do is like pick certain components and be like, okay, ask it, how can I optimize this? And uh then it gives you info as to the possible optimizations that could be made to make that component optimized, I guess, and stuff. So yeah, we can check it out here, like copilot.million.dev. I think that's the website. So we can just go to copilot. Oh god, copilot.million.
But
So we have this like demo notion sites of several components and everything. We can just pick this right here and be like, oh, I want to see this component here, and be like, okay, maybe why is this component slow? Maybe that is what I should ask as well. Component slow, maybe. And I ask, let's see what happens. Oh, and then it tells me, give me a couple of info as to why the component might be slow, and then it tells me how I can optimize the component using React Memo. I'm not exactly sure because I think React Memo has a couple of compatibility issues or a couple of still optimization flaws too. But this is
yeah,
actually
so
a
if you
positive.
can see your screen regarding the copilot,
You can't see my screen.
like it's just showing the make React 7% faster. The docs, that's
Oh,
what it's just showing. I think you
wait.
just share the particular window. Yeah, again, now we're saying it. Yes, now it's on.
Okay. So Copilot.million.dev, and with this you can basically like, let's say, pick a component. For example, I click on this mouse thing here at the bottom of my screen in dev mode. I click on it, it brings this prompt up for me. I could basically ask it, why is this component slow? Maybe, or something. That's just a question that I saw as a placeholder, so I thought to ask it directly as well. Then it tells me stuff about this task. It identifies the component, and then it's able to figure out from context the things the component has, how the possible optimizations we can make to make the component better. And this is obviously still a work in progress that of the copilot, and it basically is a proof of concept as to how it would work in development mode for you as a developer and stuff. And I think this is pretty good because if I have a component that is suboptimal while I'm developing, I can basically just use this. Um, it's literally down there at the bottom of my screen. I can just click on this and highlight the components. Just ask questions and be like, oh, why is this component slow? Can you tell me this and this and stuff like that? And basically get information regarding the components and things I could possibly do to make things better and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's Copilot for millions of dev. I was able to demo that. Sorry, Jex, for keeping you waiting. Sorry, I'm like just waking up. So in case you're just joining and you see me having like maybe a rough,
Yeah,
you just woke
it's
up
all
right.
good. Honestly, it even shows in your eyes, but I think it's still good. It's good.
I need to get this
All
trip
good.
over. What did you say?
I said it even shows in your eyes and your voice. Like, those are like shout out, honestly. But it's all good, actually. I think I get you. And honestly, I'm really excited for like co-pilots. Because honestly, it's crazy. Ibrahim said he made it. I'm good. The Ibrahim up here, aiding on the co-pilot.
Oh no. Ibrahim is saying that he made it to the stream. He was having
Okay,
we're
oh,
having a
finally.
conversation about him actually
Oh,
run the
oh,
boss.
hey, Ibrahim. Oh, yeah,
So
but it's really, really crazy.
yeah, and the biggest uh news of all, other than a million, launching Copilot and million releasing version 3.0 in a couple of days, is the Y Combinator thing. So it's like been trending for.
Yeah. When I saw it, I was so surprised. I was well, it's not like I was shocked. I was expecting because that no, it didn't really have the position. I love like how the media community is going. No, not like this other fact. It was really, really crazy. Like
Yeah, it was.
everyone was just yeah,
And it was a funny story because he actually wasn't even he told me the way it happened actually, and it wasn't really a thing that he had planned. He said I think he said he was doing a test in class, and then
okay.
said he was doing a test in class, and then he just like got bored of the test. Maybe I think he said he was doing maybe something related to mathematics or something like that, and then he got bored. Then he brought out his laptop, and then he searched for Y Combinator, and then he applied right there in class. Because-
Wow.
then he said from there.
Well,
So then he said from
wow.
there, he literally like maybe a couple of days later on, he got a mail back from Y Combinator that they wanted to schedule a 10 minutes meeting with him. And then from there
Oh wow.
he was he said, I think he even said he was at the subway or something when he had the meeting. So he was literally carrying his laptop in the crowd to try to look for a place
Wow.
to do the interview, and he
Honestly,
still.
it baffles me. Honestly, it baffles me every time. Like from the whole point of first creating million to creating millions, okay, was bored and actually found an issue. So now applying to my combinator while like being bored in the math class. Now, honestly,
Yeah,
that's crazy. That's crazy.
yeah, it is. So he actually did do a lot of work around setting that up uh and
Yeah.
being able and it was crazy, yeah, because it's a lot of things. It's a lot of things. It's getting into Y Combinator, and with what we all currently have, like the goals of million and everything, it's really going to help in several aspects and stuff like that, because we care a lot about web performance, and with the direction we're headed, having tools like Million AI, the Copilot, and having tools like the existing Million virtual DOM, block DOM optimizations and everything. It's just so many things, and 2024 is going to be a crazy year. You all should probably like watch out for that, because 2024 a million is going to be crazy, and
It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy.
yeah, it's going to be a huge roller coaster and everything. So
Yeah. But I want to
yeah,
ask you a
yeah,
question, man.
yeah,
So
yeah. What's
now
that?
I'm just out of curiosity. Yeah. So now with this whole sorry if it sound like I didn't have it, but not really much of sort. So now where do you really think millions like kind of like headed now towards? Because so now yeah, something came to my head which could work or which could not work. I don't know. But my question right now is so now million has coupon. Million has joined Y Combinator. Like, what else do you now see happening? Million is cooking. That was what we know. Million is cooking crazy things. So, what next do you think is happening for Million in 2024? Do you think maybe a dev tool, like maybe a Chrome dev tool to work on the browser might come out or something like what exactly do you think might happen? And let's give us snippets. We're expecting it.
Oh yeah. So the plans for million are there really is no there really is no. I remember a couple of months back when I was discussing with Aiden, before even the advent of million, we had like this idea or this notion of having something that enables you to be able to do optimizations, and all you have to think of is you maybe making separate, maybe setting clicks, and this thing does automatic analysis of your component, and then based on that, it suggests optimizations for you. And then Eddie made it a reality, and it took a lot of work, and maybe him hiring people and stuff. So the roadmap for million is not really. I don't think it's predictable, because, but in the direction we're headed, it's more or less us chasing things around, improving DX and making the. We are basically trying to achieve that means and that level of making developer experience as far um using optimizations or enabling or making your applications optimal be as stress free as possible. I mean, even you can tell that from the tools we've released, like the what tools, that the automatic mode, starting with, which was the initial place we started
Yeah.
like making. okay, let's make developers' lives easier and not have them stress to do optimizations. Then now on to having us set up the AI and then the copilots that we have now. So in that direction, our copilot is going to be improved in several regards, and we're now going to make it such that based on optimizations that have been done with Copilot, we'll make it such that users can then have Copilot at a way such that all they have to do is set up Copilots in their applications, and it automatically analyzes all in the application, and then it suggests optimizations per file.
Optimizations.
Yeah, that is why I see that is the action. That's one thing that we are looking to explore. But yeah, we need to actually give Copilots time to make several improvements and all that. But Copilot is a work in progress, and it's pretty good for a proof of
Yeah, it
concept.
is.
You know.
It is. It is. I saw the video. I was astounded, honestly. Well, yeah. So also, yeah. So back to you.
Yeah, I can't wait to test out, dude. Like I'm psyched. Can't wait to test out. Like yeah, me too. Can't wait to test out.
But yeah, I've
So
joined the wait list, so I'm hoping and expecting. I
yeah,
believe and a
I
lot
mean,
to test.
I saw somebody join the wait list a couple of days back, and it was like 700 and something.
Honestly, like
Yeah, yes, a lot of people have joined that wait list.
it's just crazy and shows how much like the AI world basically is developing, and now using
Yeah.
AI for optimizations and things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so let's actually like implement changes to the documentation,
Oh,
uh
okay, all right.
the things we came to the stream for. So Aiden basically gave this video to help to we had a live chat where we were discussing changes that we needed to make to the docs, and then we came up with we had like this screen recording where we basically recorded everything that we needed to work on it, and yeah, so we can just go through this right now, and we can see the things that we had right there, and jot them down. Then
Oh yeah,
maybe I can share you my I can share you my I can give you live share for my VS Code so that we just work from there.
okay, all right, no problem. Just something. Well, let's watch the video. Yeah.
Okay, so let's just watch the video.
Oh, all right, no problem.
I'll send the video later.
Okay.
So I think this is not a great copy. Like this
Can you
doesn't make much sense. Like enabling auto mode is simple. To configure the compiler to manage optimizations.
can you hear the sound?
Yeah, I can hear the sound. I can hear the sound. Yeah. You're muted.
Before that, let me actually even share you my let me give you my live share so that
Oh,
I
all
can
right, no
like
problem. No problem.
from there, and
Yeah,
then
no problem.
based on changes we've jotted down, we can just start making changes. Let me
All right.
pull. Yeah, it's up to date. So let me on that. This guy. So live share. Where are you? So you can just check the private chat
All
to
right,
see
no
the link,
problem.
to see the link to the live share. Oh, Francesco is
Yeah.
here. Hey, Francesco. Hi, how are you doing? Nice to have you here. Like the video. Thank you, Francesco. Thank you very much. Excited to have you here.
All right, so
So, are you connected
right
on
now
live chat?
starting. Yeah, I'm about to connect now. Give me
Okay, okay.
around a minute. Yeah.
So, we connect on live chat. We watch the
All
video
right, yeah.
and
So I'm connected on live share now. It's still
uh,
loading the data. So,
okay, okay, okay. So, basically, going to refactor the entire docs, but we're going to do it live. Um, yeah, because we've been getting a couple of complaints from users around, being able to handle the documentation and extract the information that they need, and some parts of the docs even being confusing and stuff. So I had a meeting with AD, and we saw this as an opportunity based on feedback that we're getting to actually make all the changes that we needed. And
yeah,
I decided what's the best way to do it, but other than doing it live. So so here we
live
are.
actually. Yeah.
And I'm doing it live so that
Yeah,
I can.
so I'm on the live share.
Okay, I see you now. Yeah. All right. So awesome. So what did I want to do? Yeah. So we're
Yeah,
just
what
basically
let's watch the videos.
let's
Yeah.
watch the video. Yeah. So now that I'm connected. Hey Rajneesh, good morning. Nice to have you here. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Um, so we can just watch. Sorry. So let's watch.
I'll send the video later.
Okay.
So I think this is not a great copy. Like this doesn't make much sense. Like enabling auto mode is simple to configure the compiler to manage optimizations using just one parameter. This is not the correct terminology, but also like this doesn't make sense in general. Like I think what we do here is why don't we just move this to here? Or like I don't know, like
Okay, so I have an introduction. We should
wait,
just
so
like
is
kind of
is
like
it wait,
What'd you say?
so I'm just thinking that so rather like having that introduction, we should just immediately show how to get started basically.
Yeah, like we do a bit of intro, then we just move that. I
Okay.
think that's what it.
I think what we do here is why don't we just move this to here? Or like I don't know, like wait, so is it wait, I forgot who is Rishi, where you had some trouble setting like understanding the docs. Like what were your main concerns with that?
Rishi, are you
Oh shoot, Alexa's here. Hello.
there? Hey, Alex.
I was I was just trying to set up like yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm just trying to listen.
Yeah.
Carry on.
No, it's funny. I was just trying to write up like a doc for you, like like a expeditionist doc. No, sorry. Go ahead. Um, I think yeah.
So yeah.
I think if Rishi is not understanding this, it's not clear enough. So like, why don't we just put like introduction, bam, setup in seconds, this, and then we're done.
Oh, that works like a direct thing instead of like all those unnecessary, because introducing a user to auto mode when they've never seen William before
Yes.
doesn't make sense. So
Yes,
I think I get you.
and then
Yeah.
we
Did I miss something? Did you mention me?
yeah we were just asking.
Yeah, we were trying.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Eugene. Go ahead, Eugene.
Okay, yeah, we were just asking like what was your pain point. So I'm like let's say like I'm on the introduction page. What was not clear for you during like at this moment.
For me, that I have to install Krakow alongside and add it into the package. Start script was quite unclear for me, so I had to go through all your videos, GitHub tickets, and then
Right.
finally this Discord questions helped me.
So bit of backstory here. Rishi complained to me. Rishi complained to me during the meeting, and he told me he said it took him 2 days, 2 working days to set up Million with Krakow in his code base. And that was like I was like, wow, what the hell, bro? So I was like, this is actually a big problem that we had to actually solve. So Rishi was in the meeting with us then, so we had him come on board and and share his pain points. And then that was like that's a bit of backstory towards to where Rishi comes into this. So yeah.
So I read a chat of you guys. Someone had asked the same thing, and you mentioned him that you have to install Krakow. So that helped me. So
Mhm. Do
I don't think so. You have mentioned it anywhere in the documentations.
did you
So if you go to installation and scroll down, if you go to installation Aiden and scroll down, what do you think of this? Do you think this is good, Rishi? Like scroll down. Yeah, if you see this, if you saw that call to action,
we
that
could put it
was
down here,
no
like
no no.
here, like this
Oh, okay,
collection
okay.
within wait. So were you using the CLI or were you manually like making the content file?
I manually made it. Initially, Krakow
I see.
was installed, and I manually updated it.
Okay. I think we should do two things. Like the first thing we should do here is um we should definitely have a like because if Rishi has had hard time finding the Krakow, we should probably move
Hmm?
this here and also
No, that was not there. That was not there before, by the way. But
yeah,
we
yeah,
can move it there.
yeah. No,
Yeah.
yeah. And also the CLI should also should handle that, right?
Okay.
Like like I don't remember what it was. Build tools, constants. So like let's say it detects like create React app, maybe like we can go like, oh, throw an error, or throw a warning, be like, oh, we only support Krakow with create React app. You should install Krakow to use it. And then like stop the installation.
Oh, yeah, that works.
Okay.
That works.
Yeah. Oh nice, we have bone, that's fun. And then
You
this.
should add it at the bottom of the installation page. At as a third step or a second step, I guess.
Mhm.
If you add,
Mm.
you have to install this. That would be helpful.
Yeah,
Would
I'll
you
just
like
move
it like
that city.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I
Go
like
ahead.
I was thinking like a literal we would move like this call out down to here if create React app is selected. Like would that be better, you think?
Yes, that would be.
So to before going like further or something, let's like start making changes and stuff. So let's start like a bit there. So we are like 5 minutes in already. So let's try to
Wait,
get
I forgot who this is Tyler to manage optimizations using just one
using just
parameter. This is
one.
not the correct terminology, but also like this doesn't make sense in general. Like I think what we do here is
Ah.
why don't we just move this
Mm-hmm.
to
So
here? Or like I don't know, like
yep. So let's do that one first, and then from there we can work our way in. What do you think?
Yeah, that was the same thing that I was thinking because I was even like taking down a list of like the things that he said, and I was just thinking. Oh, sorry, we also asked a question. Let me check the docs. So the sorry, sorry, wait a minute. Okay. So explanation. Sometimes quickly just confirm from my end. So if it is no longer there, it's no longer there. That call to action regarding
Mm-hmm.
Krakow. Yeah, I'll just
Mm-hmm.
ask. So when you click on this thing, when you click on, you know that configure Krakow is highlighted in blue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When you click on it, does it take to like Krakow's page to configure Krakow?
Yeah, it takes you to Kaku's website. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, I think that was like one thing I was thinking. All right, but yeah. So according to AD, so according to like the video, I am first in just the introduction, but I think just like the first 5 lines, not like everything regarding the introduction. Then the
No,
setup,
no. He wants us to take out
introduction
that
totally.
information or something like that. Then
Oh, okay.
just focus only on
The
just
installation
focus.
straight up.
Yeah, like because users when users come onto it, they don't want to go through the stress of having to struggle to set things up. We just want to get started right away and start integrating. So we can start like
Okay.
from there and just work our way in. I'm looking for a way to share just VS Code. Don't know what's going on. My VS Code is currently open. Supposed to take me to VS Code. It wants me to share my entire screen instead. I should be able to choose VS Code from here. Let me just share my entire screen instead. So, so I'm right here now. So what we need to do is okay. So we have this here. So this is my local host. The changes I've been making. So you basically
Mm-hmm.
should take this guy out and then remove the guy from installation. This setup in seconds to remove this setup in seconds
Yeah. To the
to introduce,
introduction.
yeah, with the call to action of it only works with React 16 and above and stuff and something. And then remove this guy here
Okay.
down,
So under this tab for create React app.
yeah, only. So yeah, we
Yeah.
just do those two to start with. So let's just try to get that
Okay.
one set up first. Um, and then we remove this one as well. This with automatic mode, something, 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 blah 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 blah, and stuff like that.
Okay.
Mm. And then I think, wait, according to the video, where is it? So according to the video, yeah, we can just have that. We can still leave this line here, this one, but then maybe after this we can add setup in seconds, or maybe after adding this or something. After this, then
What
we
about
add
the automatic mode? Okay, after the first paragraph.
this one. Yeah, after the first paragraph, we add the setup in
Okay.
seconds,
Okay.
and
Okay.
then
Yes.
this one after setup in seconds. Yeah, I think we should do
Okay.
that
Yeah.
first, and then we can
I
move
think
this
that
city
works.
to create your act app. You can do this one. You can move the CTA to create your act app here, like before this
Yeah, but I'm
code.
trying to check. Can you share a server like live share? Because now I think that it's running on local 3000 on your end,
Yeah,
but not on my end.
you can run it from your end as well.
So I have to open a new terminal then.
No, no, you can just literally open your terminal and then open it in your own browser over there. And you can check it
Yeah, I'm
like
opening my terminal. I'm opening
yeah,
my
so just
terminal right now.
open it like in your own server.
Sure, give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
Da, 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 no, 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 no. Safe code browsing. Okay, hold. Did I? Yeah, it's being shared now.
What'd you say?
Uh, no, it's being shared. I'm just checking something. I'm
Okay.
opening the bottom of this thing, but wait, let me see this.
Yep, yep, yep. Mic check one, two, three. Hey JC Coda, thanks for joining. Sorry, I'm sharing my entire screen. uh I tried to share just VS Code, but for some reason uh StreamYard was stopping me from doing that. I thank you all for staying by, for stopping by. So Drex, what do you
Mhm.
what why did you have you set it
Yeah,
up
it's
or
no. Let's just go. Let's proceed. I do that. It's not what I call it. The server is not being shared on my end. Well, yes, just let's just continue ahead with that.
oh, okay. So I've made my own change. I have this guy here now. I literally grabbed the setup in seconds and I put it right here and stuff.
Okay,
So you
so
can
I'm going to just grab that city down there, and I'm just going to put it under the create track tab
yeah, create the
subtab.
act tab for both automatic and manual mode. So it has to be in both of them
Okay,
because it's
okay,
the call to action to help people. Yeah, and what and this is an answer to your question. If you go to configure Krakow, it takes you directly to how to set
okay,
Krakow
yeah,
up.
exactly.
Yeah, so yeah, I made sure to add that in that call to action stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what was
Uh,
I going to
yeah.
do? I was going to okay, so you grabbed it. Okay, I can see the changes here.
Yeah. Level, create track tab. What did you say? Okay. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So so check the this thing, the create track app down there. Is a call out there?
Yeah, it's there for this guy
Okay.
and for manual mode. Yeah, so it's left for manual mode.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can
For
just
manual mode. All right. All right. So let's go in. 'Okay, yes. So that's how I'm looking for. Okay, yes. So see. So all right. So that's done. So check it. It should be there now.
some so let me check that one out right now. Oh why is it breaking? Okay.
Give it a minute. Why
So,
can't it import?
so
Okay,
it's in
is it there?
automatic and it's in manual mode, yeah.
Okay. All
So this
right.
is actually
Okay.
so problem one solved. So we just crossed the milestone right now.
This
So,
is
so we should do we just crossed milestone one and we're literally getting uh there and closer. So
yeah.
let's see what else we discussed in the meeting so that we just apply those changes as well. So I'm going to play the video now. And let
All
me just
right.
share that
All right.
video of this meeting so people can watch as well.
Okay.
Where's the meeting? So here we go. Can you see my screen? Oh, yeah, I
Yeah, I can see
think.
a screen now. Okay.
Awesome.
We just move this.
So we're 5 minutes in.
Should handle that, right?
Mm.
So like, let's say it's
So I'm just going to skip over the
I
right thing for now
remove
because
this
uh,
here.
this is not a change that is part of the documentation. So we are going to keep the PR that we're currently working on. So for context, the PR we're currently working on is this. Is the docs PR. So let me share it to people in the comments so they can see what we're currently working on. For context, everyone in the comments, this is what we're working on. So this is the PR we're currently working on, docs refactor.
Okay. Yeah.
Working.
Okay.
I've been working on this for like 3 weeks now. So this was like a feedback.
Yeah, I
The
love how
video,
it's turning out actually.
yeah, the video I'm watching currently is like a feedback on the on the on the PR we've been working on. Docs refactor PR. No, I wrote P instead of PR. Docs refactor PR. So yeah, that's what I'm working on currently for context to for everyone watching. And yeah, you can basically just go there, check out the PR, and just so that you can follow along as we are making our changes and stuff. So you see like so many comments or like reviews on that PR. I've been working on it for like a while now, so I just decided to stream to get everything over with and stuff. So let me go back to sharing just uh just the tab for the video so that we can continue. So yeah, let me continue.
Time finding the cracker. We should probably move
It was not there before, but
the CLI, right? Uh, like cracker to use.
that works.
Yeah, but fun. That's fun. And then
You should add it at the bottom of the installation page. At that as a third step or a second step, I guess.
mhm.
If you have to install this, that would be helpful.
Would
Yeah, I
you
just
like it
moved
like?
that city.
Mhm.
Yeah,
I
go
like.
ahead.
I was thinking like a literal we would move like this call out down to here if create react app is selected. Like would that be better? You think?
Yes, that would be better. For a normal user, I see the installation part will start from 1 to 3. So if I'm in a hurry, I won't
Right.
read the initial thing. I will just come to these steps.
Yeah,
That's what a normal user does.
that's right.
Got you. Yeah, that
Okay.
makes total sense. Uh, yeah, we should probably make that change. Toby, can you get on that as well? I think this one,
Yeah,
this is pretty sick, but I feel like we should just remove it. I don't know if anyone actually uses it.
experimental. Yeah.
I don't see it in the site currently, the deployed one.
Do we have that?
The third.
Do we have that currently on the site? Experimental. I didn't see that there. Did you see it?
Which one was that?
Like the
Which
third
part?
step, the experimental optimizer. Like
No, wait.
you see,
Yes, it's down there. It's the third step is down there. I saw it on the site. After the first one is install million JS. Second one is add compiler to application. The third one is use the experimental optimizer.
no, it's not
Have
here
you
on
seen
it.
it?
Oh, it's in the manual mode. Oh,
Yeah,
it's
it's
in
in
manual.
manual mode. Oh, it's not in automatic, but it should be in automatic.
No, it shouldn't be there at all. That's what the video is saying.
Oh, okay. So we should just remove it entirely.
Yeah, all together. Yeah, because
Okay.
it's an experimental feature that we had.
Mm, okay. Okay.
It's a very funny moment in the
Okay. 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 It's good stuff. What's that? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Definitely
Okay.
watch this part of the video. It was a very funny moment.
Honestly. Okay. 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 Seriously, come on. Yeah, yeah. So I want to take out the
Oh, okay, okay,
experimental
okay.
optimizer.
All right, nice. Let me check. Did you take it out already?
No, I've not taken that yet. I'm about to.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, so if I move this,
Oh, it's out now. Oh, it's not out yet. Okay, you
it's not
just
out yet.
removed it. Okay, you just removed it.
Is it out now?
Yeah, I think you just removed it.
All right. All right.
Awesome,
So yeah.
awesome. So we're getting there. We're getting there.
Okay. Wait, so is he saying anything? Because I can't hear anything from the video.
What'd you say?
Is he saying anything? Because I can't hear anything from the video.
Oh, I thought you said you could hear the video initially.
I could hear the video before, but now I can't hear it again.
Oh, I think that's because of the sharing option, where if I don't share, I can share a window with audio, but I can't share my screen with
Oh,
audio.
okay.
Oh, this is
Oh,
actually.
oh, 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 oh. Okay.
Amazing.
Okay, now I hear the audio.
Why is this here?
Can you hear it now?
Yeah, I
Interesting.
can hear it now. I
Maybe
can
it's
hear it now.
it's unsynced. Like probably this was like made at a you had you like made the PR, you made a branch. You probably need to resync it
I
with main.
would, yeah, I'll remove it. I'll just remove it.
Uh,
So yeah, I wrote
what's
this one.
going on
I
here?
basically rearranged this page stuff.
Hmm. So this is a thing what I find a little bit confusing. Like everything
Mhm.
here down is manual mode.
Mhm.
I wonder if we can add a switch. So Drizzle has a excuse me
Shout out to the Drizzle team. Shout out to the Drizzle team.
switch
Mhm.
like this. So like maybe automatic versus manual mode probably could be a nice thing to have. Um,
Oh, like we make like an automatic section, automatic mode section,
yeah,
or
exactly.
we do a switch.
You do a switch. So
Okay, okay,
like let's
automatic.
say like by default it's automatic. And then you
Mhm.
can switch to manual mode. Like what this is kind of confusing. Like if I was a user, I would read this and be like
Mhm.
million JS comes with as its default setting. Like, okay, cool, cool, cool. Now I get to hear what the fuck is a block? Like, I don't know what this is. Right.
Exactly.
Also I don't like this. I don't like this. I think
Mhm.
this is the same exact information below, right? Like I feel like we should have like the syntax. If we're like offering the syntax, we should
Mhm.
just have the title. This is title. Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think let's wind
Okay.
back. So,
Yeah.
because they have talked about the how to
Makes
use
sense.
automatic mode,
Yeah.
and they have talked about the block. So let's kind of like take it one by one.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
we talked
Right.
about this one.
Cool. Now I get to hear what the fuck is a block? Like I don't know what this is. Right. Cool. Yeah,
Or
exactly.
we do a switch. So we talked about
Um,
it showed the
oh,
drizzle. Like we make like an automatic section, automatic mode section,
yeah,
or
exactly.
we do a switch.
You do a switch.
Okay,
So
okay,
like let's
automatic.
say like by default it's automatic. And then you
Mhm.
can switch to manual mode. Like what this is kind of confusing. Like if I was a user, I would read this and be like
Mhm.
million JS comes with as its default setting. Like, okay, cool, cool, cool. Now I get to hear what the fuck is a block? Like I
Oh
don't know
yeah,
what this
exactly.
is. Right.
Exactly.
Also I don't like this. I don't like this. I think
Mhm.
this is the same exact information below.
So I think quick run of a block. That entire section needs to be stripped out of the of the of the
Yeah,
website.
from the docs, this basically was like automatic mode should be the default, right? And if you're using automatic mode, you don't necessarily need to bother yourself with like knowing what exactly like the
You know
block
what the
is.
block
Everything
is
else is just
exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. So in
So
the yeah, so now we now that this is the part where we try to work on what that switch thing could be. Or maybe we go through the extra docs or something to see how we can get that set up or something. Or
mhm.
what are your thoughts, Julia? What do you think we should do in this case? Like for what we have here now. Like because for example now Million has automatic and manual mode. But now we want it to
Yeah.
be such we are contextualizing the documentation um based on whatever the user is trying to work with. For example, if the user comes onto the docs and apart from seeing hmm, yeah, apart from seeing introduction and installation, for example, now how to use automatic mode talks about automatic mode and how to use this block and for. You shouldn't be seeing these if you are using automatic
So
mode.
what about in a way if we what do you call it? So Now, what about like at this sidebar? Like the way you said about that thing that you
Mm-hmm.
posted on okay, so here we could have million. I don't know the exact thing that we for it, but let's say some like million manual and the million automatic basically. I'm not that could not like prefer names, but so that if they click on the automatic mode, then all this anything related with like the manual mode, sorry, comes
Mm-hmm.
here. And anything related to the automatic mode comes here. Because for example, automatic mode, the advanced customizations for like the options, this thing, and in case maybe there's an update to it, it just simply shows under the API reference for the automatic mode. And in case maybe anytime in future want to do something for maybe million for mobile or something, guys simply
Mm-hmm.
have it when you click on it, the API reference for that also changes. That's like what me I'm thinking. Or it could be like a drop down that they can select automatic mode, you can select auto or manual or any other updated thing. And based on whatever I selected, the API reference changes. Because
Mm.
now this
Yeah,
is what
but
my question is this guide.
yeah, I think
Yeah?
I understand you though, but but doesn't how yeah, like the thing I'm trying to figure out is how we'll achieve that using Nextra, or if we'll have to build
Oh,
our own custom sidebar, because the thing with Nextra is that Nextra gives us a couple of these things, like and you
out of
can
the
go to the
box.
docs and something.
Yeah, that's I'm even checking out that documentation right now.
Yeah. So so yeah. So Nextra gives you a couple of things like having folders, or this might not even work for us. So folders, okay, this is just talking about you writing your code or something. There's something I'm actually looking for around that. Felpix suggested something to me, and it was organized files. The page is organized files. Yeah, this page.
Which page is that? Let me see. Okay. Let's say let me check. Make sure organize files. Okay, yes, I've seen it.
So we can have something be like this, where page information, so something like they have in the image on that site. Nextra docs team as a sidebar, navbar generator for Markdown files. So the page had the following structure. Mm, okay, but this is just normal and extra thing though. But I think I buy into the idea of having the switcher or the drop down thing that we can build up to. But this will just be us, you know, conditionally rendering um certain sections of the docs or something. What do you
Based on
think?
whatever is clicked. Yeah, that's why I actually get to. So that's what's working to my mind. Like literally having like a drop down and the what do you call it? The underneath being dynamically change based on what's selected. But now this is not my question. So now, if we are in that we are doing that, so like maybe content in the sidebar being shown dynamically. So how about that guide part? Because underneath the API reference, we have a guide, right? And the guide, we have the usage guide and the rule of blocks. The rule of blocks should only be shown, as you said, anything relating to manual mode, blocks, all those things should be like shown for only maybe manual what's tagged to it. So that means that we're saying that if manual mode is selected, yeah. So the API reference and the guide relating to manual mode is what is shown there. Or how are we? My question is how are we handling this
Oh,
guide basically?
oh, do you think we should do this instead, where we do sections? Like for example, if you look at the docs now, if we
Okay,
separated them into sections, I think we can still solve the problem without having to do anything too complex. Like for example, if we had this
okay,
place be manual mode, for example, and then in manual mode we had like block
okay.
and I had like
Oh, okay, okay.
an automatic. The rules of blocks can come under here as well.
On that
Usage
here,
guide.
okay.
Usage guide. What's usage guide? Usage guide is how to integrate menu in the project, which is also still under manual mode. We can still just bring
Manual
that
mode.
under manual mode. Usage with TypeScript, same thing. You're still writing code,
But
manual
wait,
mode.
even that usage guide, is it really needed in the sense that now, okay, so first thing the usage guide basically is showing that how to use blocks. Now that shouldn't that be online like the block, like how to use block to convert React components into blocks. Shouldn't that be under the API reference for block? Because if you are talking about like a usage guide, you have the particular components called block now. So the usage for
Mhm.
like that block, it should just be sort of like a subheading under the particular API to block. What is a block? Okay, usage guide for that particular block. Rather than having a whole different usage guide and outputs like everything as well. Like, do you get
No,
me?
it's actually in a way it's actually kind of easier this way because if the way we separated them out here, because
Okay.
let me look at this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Because if we have usage guide be a section, like I said, we can do automatic. We can have getting started, automatic mode, manual mode, and then we can have
Okay.
this one be maybe internals. For example, since internals is going to be the only thing left. Literally everything here is either going under manual mode or automatic mode or something like that. What do you
Okay.
think?
Okay. Okay. I think that actually still works. So that actually works. That works. Rather than overloading it. But another thing, I just want to just check and make sure that there's no like redundant. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that works. That works.
So, but for these muting help messages, we can also provide a code demo to show how you can use this mute because I think Rushi complained about using this mute and it's not being clear or something.
Which mode? What's
And
that?
therefore, yeah, this mute true or something.
Oh, that will be under automatic mode.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And also, I don't think I was clear with this advanced customization because I only showed it for the case of Vite. I could have showed it for the case of when using, uh,
So like the same way we have those tabs stuff for
yeah,
this tabs of other
yeah, we
thing, we'll
should do
have it like
something.
for all those differences here.
We should do something of this. Oh, yes, of something similar
Yeah, I
here
guess
for.
we should do that thing that if you have any code snippet or anything, we should have like that tab that shows how to do that thing with like the different
Yeah,
frameworks and like
exactly. You're exactly. You're correct with that regarding that. So I think we have the work cut out. We basically want to have this one be basically want to have automatic mode section, um, then an internal section, and then a manual mode section. Then based on these sections, basically break everything out into that way so that it's easier to follow. What do you think?
mm-hmm. So
And then this
okay.
one, instead of
So
how
let me
to use
just have the
automatic,
section.
we rename it to
Yeah.
just um automatic mode or something.
Okay. Yeah, that
Or
works. But wait, let's
yeah,
make the
go ahead.
section. No, I'm with you. I'm just saying that let's just make the section.
Okay. So let me share my screen to the code so that we make the sections first. So we can break down
Yeah.
what we want to do into tasks. Let me share my note screen. Uh
And I'm taking down the section for auto. You know that now, for example, in the how to use auto mode, everything was kind of like put into one. But what if we like the way for manual, we split it to block and four? What if we like split it in the sense that now, okay, so the mute option, it's kind of like it's just big. So do you think it's going to be overkill? Like having okay, automatic mode is a section. You're now having a mute and auto as like different sub sections where they now have like their by the time you click on like them, you now have like a full-on explanation regarding youth and a full-on explanation regarding auto and any other option that is there.
mm, you mean like having them
I
as
like my
separate
over
separate them
yeah,
pages?
separate pages exactly.
Yeah, but
Do you think that's going to be overkill?
if you had them as separate pages here, they would just be like short contents though. But like because why if you want to have an individual page for this guy, oh, you actually do have
Okay.
a point there since we are breaking them down into sections now. But the
But
pages
then,
will
for
just be
example,
small.
this mute, yeah, they're going to be small. That's the thing. For something like mute now that is quite big, you can just come like explain like the mute in more detail, give like examples and like say code
So
snippet
like
example based.
what we plan to do right with muting, I mean we're muting right.
Yeah, yeah, for
Oh,
muting. Auto is already quite lengthy on its own.
advanced customization can be its own page, maybe.
Okay.
I mean the bare minimum you need to set up auto mode
Auto
is
mode,
just
just
to have
auto true.
yeah. But then we can have an
Mm.
advanced customization be its own page and then Oh wait, if we have advanced customization be its own page. Wait, what do you think, Lou? What do you think? What? Continue what you were saying. I don't think I got you.
Yeah, I'm just saying that if you have advanced customization bits on page, then it's literally still like it's literally still the same thing. We don't that means
Mm-hmm.
everything's still going to be one page. I just think that if you just have everything, for example, in the API reference here where we have block and for
Mm-hmm.
automotive, something like mute and auto. And in case we now have other things that we want to have, let's say Million gets an update now. I want to have those other things in the options
Mm-hmm.
object. It can just be as a like new page where we first of all we explain like that particular option, what it does, give code snippets, like the code detail on how to use it, like the code syntax for how to use it, and possibly give examples in the sense that to avoid, for example, mute now, to avoid seeing help messages, you can pass the mute through to the compiler. Okay, well, this doesn't really need much of an example,
Wait,
actually. I guess we could take it. Yeah.
all these ignoring components, muting help messages, they still kind of fall under advanced customization.
Mm.
Do you
So I
think we
guess we
should
could
create
still just keep everything as one.
no, do you think we should create an advanced customization page under the automatic mode section?
Okay, that works. So does that mean that so under the automatic mode section now, what is going to be under the automatic mode section?
There's
Okay, so all this auto is still going to be part of this page.
yeah, Otto and these guys will stay here. Then this guy will move to
Okay,
his own page.
okay,
Then we'll
okay,
not
all
be
right.
able to do stuff that like we wanted to do.
Okay, okay, okay. That works. That works.
So let's start
That
with the
works.
sections first. So first we break them down into sections. Break down the sections. So the sections we decided on were automatic mode, manual mode, don't know why this is being weird.
Do you think we should split this for this advanced customization? Like in the advanced customization, yeah, we have threshold and we have skip. Yeah. So my what is I'm thinking. So on that threshold, we should have like this code component, but it should only be for like threshold. This skip should not be there. Then we now have skip. Now under skip, we can be like so there are two ways, which is using this skip in the auto mode and using this because of what this skip is doing and what this is doing is still the same thing, ignoring either a component or something.
So I like that. That's actually a very good idea. Let's do that.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
I'm coming internals. I think these are the three sections we'd have, right? So no, there'll be getting started. Obviously, we'll stay there.
Yeah.
So these are the four sections we'll have.
Yeah, I'm going to have getting started. The automatic mode, the manual mode. Yes.
So let's work on that first.
Okay.
So we have this method.
Internals.
So we
For
have get
internals, I think not meant to be part of manual mode.
yeah, so that's the internals are like if you wanted to like maybe experiment with um well no
Because
the
I didn't
internals
use it auto mode.
internals like if you
Yeah.
wanted to understand because automatic mode is still using internals but it's just doing it without stressing you out.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so we still need internals maybe in case you wanted to get explanation on some of these things.
Oh, okay.
Some of these are like
Wait.
built-in functions we have and stuff like that.
Yeah. So now these are my questions. So now we have block under the internals and we have
Mm-hmm.
block under the API reference. I didn't also
Mm-hmm.
explain the same thing. This is now becoming redundant information.
This block,
And this block, are they doing the same thing? And it'll be is this becoming redundant information then?
hmm, you may have a point, but this block actually gives further information on this block. So maybe we can link out to this block from this block, but we probably need to change. We are definitely going to need to create a link out from this page to this other block here, but we just need to find, because this block is basically explaining the in-depth of how block works and stuff.
What about if we just put everything on the same page and have something like an advanced, I don't know. So literally the basic thing that you need to know about a block is that when you now have this kind of like drop down that is maybe, I don't know, advanced information or additional information. And when you click on that drop down, that brings like everything regarding like the block. Or we could have the additional information be a link to. I don't think from the perspective of somebody like just navigating through the sidebar and seeing like those two blocks, we start thinking, are they different or are they
Oh yeah,
is there like
or
that
do you
kind
think
of
we should
confusion?
merge this block and this block into one page?
I think that we could merge it, but we don't necessarily need to show it. Like as I said, it's just going to show the initial, what they call it. By the time you click on block, it shows you the basic information, but in a way, it hides the more advanced information. Something like a drop down. Also, when you now click on that drop down, you now have like expand. That gives you all the information.
Yeah, I
For
think
beginner that come with the documentation, don't feel overwhelmed.
you have a very good point. So but then the other internals will stay because
Yeah, the other internal supposed to stay.
so okay, I think I get your point. Also, we need to name the automatic, name how to use
Uh, so,
just automatic.
yeah, no.
Hmm. Sitting posture. A million GitHub link and Rajin sheets. Yeah, you can like click on it to see the app we're currently working on. Um so as some of the information within these rules are like outdated or something. Mm,
Mhm. I know this usage with TypeScript, you are scrapping it, right?
we can keep it. What do you think?
I'm just thinking that so this is what came to my head here. So you know the way we did this thing for this beginning part, the setup installation where to set up you put like those tabs, the npm pnpm yarn ball. You could have
Mm-hmm.
like because that usage with TypeScript shows like how to use block with TypeScript. You could have under like the block section where they're showing, but we now have this kind of tab thing. So we can show JavaScript and TypeScript the way Tailwind, is it Tailwind or Material UI? I think the way like they do it. So by the time you click on JavaScript, it shows you like the syntax for block in JavaScript and the syntax for that code same code statement in TypeScript. So that this usage with TypeScript because this should as we are saying by using TypeScript, it show the usage of every single component with
Mm-hmm.
TypeScript, usage of for, usage of mount, usage of parts, and it's just going to make it way too long and look a bit complex and advanced because TypeScript and the whole core internal tools might make it become advanced. But if we have
I'm moving
this
usage
particular element, yeah,
moving usage with
yeah,
TypeScript to web.
come again here, okay, okay, yeah.
You said we should move usage with TypeScript to web.
Uh, rather than we'll just remove it, but this I'm thinking we'll just remove, but every single code snippet will now have tab, so tab JavaScript and then TypeScript side by side.
Oh, I get you. Yeah, that makes sense. So
Mm-hmm.
virtualization can stay. So this one can stay. Rules of
Mm-hmm.
block. We need to update
That's
rules
what I
of
was
block.
looking at. Oh. We have this. We have this. We have this. Maybe just me, but I feel like yeah, I get that block are like the blocks are like the forming foundation, the foundation of million. But it's so much that we have block here, we have blocks, information about blocks here, information about blocks here, information about blocks here, information about blocks here, and it's starting to like be all over the place. What if like in the area that we can just put like all information regarding a block in one particular place, but now have like different sections. Do you
Yeah,
get it?
that is what we will probably do.
Yeah. So we could just have like still inside like this. I'm thinking that inside of this API reference for block.
Everything regarding blocks is still under manual mode though.
Yeah, no, definitely still number normal. Definitely still number normal. But yeah, so let me kind of like show you something. Can I show you something? I'm not sure. Okay. Let me just show you this. So this is what I'm thinking here. Can I see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, so I'm thinking that what if we have something like this blocks? Okay. So maybe how do I even increase that this thing out? Okay. So what if we now have something like this? So we have the basic information about blocks here. Then underneath here we can now have something like um let's just say rules of blocks. So we have like these rules of blocks and it's what they call it. And somebody draw something here, freehand, no. Okay, yeah, so it's just something like a drop down here. Underneath that, we now have something like this too, where we have those advanced. This one, me, I think, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Advanced options or advanced information about blog. That is where this usage is usage guide or the internals ahead, the information in the internals for block.
Mm-hmm.
That is where it now comes into play. That's where we're not going to
Mm-hmm.
put that inside. So we're not going to now
Mm-hmm.
have this drop down stuff here.
Mm-hmm.
But here is where that whole information that we have, the basic information regarding blocks. So if there's any other information or new thing regarding blocks, it could just be simply put into a drop down here like this. So that's what me I'm thinking of. That's like my thought process. What do you think?
So then we now have rules of blocks be another drop down.
Yes, so I have with a blog and other. So by the time we click on it, it just shows this whole information regarding like the blocks, the rules of blocks and everything.
Yeah, this works. This works actually. It makes sense.
Okay. So you just hear that. Alright, so you can
So
continue sharing.
let's get started then.
All right.
So
How are you
think
holding
about
it, player?
what we needed to do. So you can bring together the details of block
Blocks. Okay. All
and
right. No problem.
create the sections. But wait, before that actually,
Why were you
um
holding a player?
wanted to talk about something or something around, was it TypeScript or
Yeah. Is it usage with TypeScript?
yeah, I'm trying to remember what we actually mentioned. So rules of blocks,
Oh, side
everything.
by
Yeah,
side.
yeah. I wanted to
Yeah.
show you how. I wanted to show you something you can
Okay.
replicate for the drop down stuff. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Like we have a drop down set up somewhere here. Uh,
Um.
I know there's a drop down component for stuff. Where is it?
It's here. Wait.
Where
Okay. Oh no. What I'm saying is inside of the old. This thing inside of the old docs.
what's that?
It's the old docs that I've seen like the drop down for the FAQ.
Oh
FAQ
no!
is the old one.
That's not the kind of drop down we want. So,
Okay. Let me
or
see.
do you think
Okay,
that
for
one
Preact
works?
instructions. For Preact instructions, go to the main,
Yes,
go to the
that's
installation.
that's
Okay,
what I was looking for. Yes. Where is it?
okay,
Manual.
so that works. Yeah, manual. If you go
Yeah,
to manual.
exactly. This is what I'm looking for. So you can
All
just
right,
replicate
cool. I
it
think that's fine.
maybe, but make it bigger or spanning the screen or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, yeah, I think that's fine. That
Okay, let
sounds
me
good.
create. Let me start work on sections, and then we can work our way in from there.
All right, no problem.
Yes. So the sections I talked about were these guys. Let me copy this and paste it on my VS Code, so I know what I'm working on.
Okay, so I have this.
Hmm. Automatic mode. You have some music in here,
Huh?
so we should play music or something.
Oh, well, I can't hear that. Oh, I didn't know
No,
what
no,
that
no.
was.
No, I said we should play music, not.
Okay, stream, okay, because I was playing that from my head. I was wondering if you could hear that.
No, 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 I couldn't
Yeah,
hear.
I'll give us regular Siri vibes.
Lo-fi.
Give us regular Siri vibes.
No, no, I want to play lo-fi action.
Oh. Oh. You should listen to this guy. You know, this guy that I heard of recently, Anton. He's and the talk is so calm, like seriously calm.
Mm.
Okay.
I've done the structuring of the.
Okay, of the sidebar.
Yep, 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 yep.
Makes sense.
Guys, not changing. So, so you're basically rearranging all these guys right from your end. I should just continue with automatic mode.
Yeah, just continue automatic mode.
So I'll
Continue
break out.
automatic mode. Let me break that out.
So I'll break out advanced customization into its own section.
Okay.
Which was that not what we discussed? We are breaking out advanced customization into its section. We are going to have that multiple stuff for that options object, and then for threshold we will show when we are using threshold, and then for skip
Yeah,
we will
then
show when
skip.
we
Yeah. Yeah. And we should have like those tab stuff. So the tab change in Astro, in Vite, in Gatsby, in CRE.
no, it's the same. This one is you configuring. No,
Yeah.
uh,
But you said underneath that when using Vite. So you said I didn't want to like just letting decide to convert.
wait, wait. So are we doing this for threshold and everybody else?
Should we do for
I mean,
threshold?
it might sort of be like a repetition thing. For example, let me use
It's still the
example. You
same
see,
thing for everything now.
uh, no, no, no. Yeah, exactly. But for threshold, for example, we can have these options objects. Just this options object actually shows both threshold and skip together, but we can break it down to use. Yeah, that means this is unnecessary. Then this options object is unnecessary. We can just have this guy, but then we'll not have it be in separate sections.
Mm-hmm.
But it's Vid, CRA, Gatsby, and the rest.
Okay,
Do
yes,
you
I
get?
think that works.
Yeah, we'll just remove this one, but then we'll not have that multiple thing stuff. Then it's not have all those things.
Okay, I think that works. I think that works.
Yeah,
So just go ahead with that.
yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. So let's have this here. Mhm.
Okay, so how about this? Ah, this thing. What's the name again? Life share has this weird thing that if you make a change, yeah, it renders from my end. If I make a change, so it's kind of like rendering, like based on any change that is made from either side. For example, let
Oh,
me see. Code is weird. Okay, so come outside people.
I'm also looking at linking to the docs here because
Okay,
if I made this thing like internals, for example, if you look at internals, I have docs, internals, then block. But if I went to automatic mode section, I only have docs, automatic mode. If I came here,
automatic mode.
advanced
Oh, so you
customization.
want it to be like docs automatic mode, then advanced customization.
Yeah, but then I don't want this UI. This doesn't make sense. If you did that, that means all of them will look like this. I'm
Yeah.
thinking. Mm,
I think that's going to come from Nextra.
yeah. Mm, mm, mm.
Okay.
Mm,
So I've moved the rows of blocks into blocks.
okay.
Uh, so you can check that out. So check that out and see how it looks.
What'd you say?
I said check it out and see how it looks.
Okay, I'm coming. Coming. I can't spell introduction again. Introduction.
Um, rows of blocks first. Use it guide.
I said the rows of blocks into what?
Go to the like the blocks under manual mode. So you should see this thing.
It's
You
throwing
should
an
see
error.
rows of blocks underneath. So I
Okay,
was writing something. Reload.
okay, I see it now.
Yeah.
Okay, this looks alright.
I want to put the usage guide. I say usage guide. Sorry.
What's
The
details?
internals. But,
Okay, okay.
huh? Oh, mistake. I want to add a new details section.
Okay.
That's why it's showing that here. The internals. Files. The internals. Block.
Looking for something.
Mhm.
And then we put this guy right here.
Let's see if I take this out here. Start the worry
Yeah,
for the block.
advanced definition.
Okay. Hmm.
Mm. Mm,
Okay.
mhm, mhm. What's going on? What's your next? I don't think we need to see actually.
Don't think what?
I was referring to what I did just now in the introduction script.
Okay.
We don't need that. Okay, now, it's throwing an error.
Mm, mm. An introduction part, yeah, it's showing an error.
but I have no errors really. Paragraph. Paragraph looks good. I remove this. That's fine.
Um,
Yes.
I have this here. Have one tab here.
Addition error.
All right. So Toby, check
Hmm?
out the block part. There's something I'll show you. Okay, yeah, there's one. Check out the block part. There's something I'll show you.
Okay, so block.
Oh, yeah. I've been seeing an error from introduction. I think that's one. Let me give me a moment. Okay, so you see that like first of all, so there's initially like okay, there's an issue with something, but like the first one, so I did that toggle between
Hmm?
JavaScript and TypeScript. So I was thinking that should we either do that or should we, if we scroll down, you see using block with TypeScript. So should we either do this using block with TypeScript or should we use this toggler at the top? Have you seen both of them?
Yeah, let's do the toggler too.
Okay, all right, no
You
problem.
don't,
Let me just remove the using block with TypeScript.
but what do you think of what I did here with
The introduction, let me check it. Hmm. Oh, actually, this is nice. I actually like this. I actually like this. This is actually nice.
let me just continue. Block.
Yeah. Well, I feel like it's not repetitive. Having like automatic mode as like the subheading, then not having like automatic mode with this.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Uh, which is a problem cosplay. And is there a way for us to potentially it still makes sense to make this top one a drop down? Ah, let's see. So there was no way that you could do this breadcrumb without having to make this a drop down.
Yeah, I checked the extra docs too. So this is the
Mm,
way it typically would appear on the UI.
oh,
But
so
unless I found a better name instead of using automatic code,
yeah, we could find a better name. But wait,
like
according to what the extra is, okay,
like instead of this, if I use like uh hmm,
should we do an extra is doing it? Like
like
in the
what?
sense that now you know that we have this headings, getting started, automatic mode, manual mode.
So instead
But
of
the
actually
way they
doing
are
the editing,
texted is yeah. So instead of doing the editing, we could like make like each heading rather than just a text, we could make it like a drop down this thing. Like doing this accurate stuff in organized
without
files.
having a heading, without having a heading,
Yes. Yeah, exactly. So it will just be
the
getting
drop
started,
down.
but getting started would be a drop down that has introduction installation. Automatic mode would be a drop down that has introduction and advanced customization. Manual mode would be
Mm-hmm.
a drop down that has the block for and all the other stuff that we need to get.
That makes sense. I'll do that.
Yeah, I think that would work.
Are you working on the manual mode section or should I?
Yeah, I'm working on manual mode. I'm done with blocks already, and
Okay,
I've
I'm
cleared.
already creating the manual mode section.
Okay, oh, the manual mode this thing toggler drop down stuff. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
already.
you could do that. Yeah, yeah, do it.
So the
But
files
can't
remain the same.
you should change the style now.
Do the files remain the
You
same?
should change the style. Yeah, the files are
What's
still the same to my end.
that?
Yeah, the files are
Let
still the
me
same.
let me copy this TypeScript. Am I still copying usage with TypeScript or is it just block and for I'm copying? Just tell me the files to copy.
Okay, just copy block for let me see them. Okay, so you can copy block for the usage guide and virtualization. The
Okay.
virtualization even part of manual mode.
Yeah. So these four move them into manual mode.
Mm, I'm looking for something like this.
Mm. Like here I now have instead of manual mode, and instead of this I now have
It's not possible for us to change the styling of this from Nextra.
yeah, it's possible. We can just go to theme.config. Don't change. I do mean of the entire site. Or you can
No,
use
not the
Tailwind.
entire side. Like, okay, so okay. Like the sidebar, the manual mode and everything. Is it possible for us to just just change like the styling, make it bolder, to make them to simulate
So
them and make it look like headers, or be like this manual mode, automatic mode, and stuff.
I
Or should
think
we
I
leave it
get
like
what you
this?
mean. I
Yeah,
mean, does it really matter? I mean, we can just put them into
does it
three
really
folders.
matter? Yeah,
Folders: internals, automatic, manual, and introduction.
yeah. Or should we put it to introduction installation to get it started?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Okay. Yeah, import to. Okay, so it should work now. Okay. Mm. Let's go.
Mm. Hey, Calvinans, thanks for joining up, Barry. So basically, we've been able to set this up, getting started, having installation here, having introduction here, being the index, getting started.
Okay.
Are you changing something at the moment? Because I'm
Uh,
getting
is it me?
yeah.
Hmm? Yeah, I'm working on the imports because when you move them into a new file, so I'm updating the imports.
Okay.
Okay, updated. Alright, so I'm done updating the imports. So you can check. Inside.
I think the docs is starting to look more and more better in terms of what we are doing. So so I just need to come to my advanced automation section and I get rid of these options objects. And I basically come here to grab
Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay. All right, good. Toby,
hmm?
wait. If you want to navigate someone, wait, let me just check it.
Why is usage with
Browser.
TypeScript in internal?
Why is
Usage with TypeScript in internal.
it you type? It's in internals. No, it's not in internals from my end.
Okay, let me delete
Internal
this file.
function, internals.
Wait, should I delete the usage with TypeScript
Yeah,
file?
yeah, you can delete it in TypeScript file. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, should be out. So
So there's something I want to do. Yeah.
what's that?
Let me show you. Give me a minute. Let me show you.
What's that?
Man, now, yeah, I want to quickly do that. I'll show you.
Okay. Should I share
I'll
my
just
screen?
no, okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I guess we don't have any issue.
So for advanced customization, for example, going to like 0.05 so you can use and experience the power of million.
All right, so go to the usage guide. Yes, you can go to the usage guide.
Okay.
So if you go to the usage guide, I made like that in a link. Help me check. Just help me check every route. This is what I wanted to do. Let's have it that when you
Did you add
click
this
on, you see that that part that you be like, yeah, you'll be like you will learn how to use block, that kind of thing. Click on that block. Does it take you to the block tab?
up block? This block. Okay.
Oh, but it's opening in a
Why
new
did you
tab. I don't see
have
it opening in a new tab. Huh?
oh use the normal stuff now. Use the normal MDX stuff like this. You know how to
So
do
let me
links
see.
normally in MDX.
I just put it like the two square brackets.
You know how to do links normally in MDX.
Yeah, is
Can
it
you
not
mark
those
down?
two square brackets?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
normal two square bracket. That's what I did. But it opens it in a new tab. If you click on it, it opens it in a new tab. But I don't want it to open it in a new. Should we let it open it in a new tab?
No, it shouldn't actually.
So it should just be in the same tab.
I don't think it opens in the new tab by default because I have something similar here. Or oh, it actually does open in the new tab. It does. Okay. Wait, did you add this one here?
Huh? No, no,
Yeah.
no. That was there. That was there before. That was there initially.
May I still proceed use the manual API.
Let me see. Let me check.
I don't think we need this here again. In block. Like for example, if I go to
Then,
block, I don't need that call to action.
yeah. Let me see.
I've removed it.
All right. Okay. So, this actually looks good now.
So I need to go to install. Installation, I can now copy this guy. Automatic mode, for example.
This internal functions, it just like it stands out in some sense.
Yeah, I'm still going to change that thing.
Okay.
The tabs should actually be wrapping everybody here. We are not closing the tab. Okay, we are closing it. That is wrong. So we're basically going to copy this object.
Okay.
Just,
Okay.
and I'm going to put it
Okay.
no.
Hmm. All right, Toby. Yeah. So, all right. So let me share my screen. I'll show you something. Yeah. Maybe something that came to my head. All right, no problem.
What's going on?
What's this?
Doing this video. Million of it. We have this object here. Wait, wait, what's going on? Wait,
Mm,
what's
so,
you don't need this.
remove one semicolon at the point. Remove
Semicolon,
one
what?
semicolon. Remove one semicolon. That one like 27.
77. Yeah?
I mean one quote, then a one back quote, back.
I don't think that's it even.
Okay. It was
It's
not
coming from,
zero.
it's coming from, where was I? Where was I even? I was here for, what's going on? This is for next year. And then I came here, okay, I
Yeah.
did million of bits, mode react, server true, then auto. You don't need
Let
to
me see
see this.
there.
It's kind of misleading.
It's
Let me go back
okay.
to what. Instead of having everything like this, I need to come here and copy this auto object. This inside the bits like this. What's now going on?
You didn't import callouts.
I need to call out. And it was actually telling me in the error. So it's done.
Yeah, I was like a studio. Oh, callouts okay. Oh, it wasn't imported.
Okay, so I have. Okay, now I can remove this define config that is at the top here. So I don't need it. Then from here I can just go on replicating. Oh wait, right, go to install. How is Miriam being set up? Miriam with Vite, for example. But the auto object has to be inside another object, so that is a bug right there. So where is it? Okay, so this should be like this. Realize another object, right? Cover with current controls, right? So I have this here. Okay. So it should be here. Right. From here. This one. Yeah, so you were saying something.
Oh yeah. I was saying that something came to my head. So it is that. So I'm like how this is going. But I'll just show you something. So I was looking at these guys. I just felt like I should just go and check out this guy's documentation, React, like their old
Okay.
documentation. Yeah. So I was now seeing this. Can you see my screen?
Coming.
Can you see my screen?
I'm coming. I haven't come to your screen yet.
Okay, alright, no problem. Hey, Sharma, welcome.
Okay. Yeah, so let me see it. Yeah. What do you say? Hey, Shub, what's up?
Okay, oh,
Shub.
alright.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. So I was looking at that documentation, yeah. I just came to my head. So now I like the first of all, they have like for the installation, start a new project. I think for us that's like start a new million project basically. build
Mm-hmm.
npx million stuff. So we can there's also the adding React to and adding React, literally adding million to an existing project. That is either with auto mode or million mode. Editor setup. This one was just more of either they are ES linked or all those different kind of things. Things that they say that they also up. That is once we have like other tools and different things, kind of like our ESA plugin or anything, that will be under the installation. This okay, this one is doesn't really concern us. And the dev tools, I think that could be I don't know million AI basically. I'll just show you. Why was I even showing this guy? There's something I wanted to like tell you, but I can't remember why exactly I wanted to show this to you. I really can't remember. I really can't remember.
Okay.
But yeah, I
Okay.
guess I'll just form like yeah.
Yeah, but actually, the React docs is actually much more bigger and explicit compared to what we
Oh
have
yeah,
currently.
definitely compared to what we have here. Which is
The
why I still
idea
even
of
like the structure that we even have.
the idea of what we want to do is to give developers something that they can easily just reference and get set up, and they are out of our docs. We don't want them to
Stand out
bend
of our
down.
box. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still, actually like this. So I'm not that done with that. What's the next thing?
No, we're not done yet. I'm still doing something.
Okay. Alright, so let me see. Let's try work on.
Yeah. So there's something Aiden gave me to implement.
Okay.
Let me see if I can just. So he gave this. Where is it? Figma. So if you go to the home page, you see this. You see this join our community of 5,000 plus developers and something. But then we redesigned it and then we came up with this concept. If you go to the home page, you
Okay.
see this scrolling showcase thing at the top here. This thing
Okay.
here. So we want this
Yeah.
thing, this guy to be
Be
inside
part
this
of the
thing
journal
completely.
community.
Yeah, but then it should look like this. So join our Discord will be here to the side here. So now we're scrolling from the side here. Basically,
Is there an
match this.
animation when they
Yeah, this one already has its own built-in animation of how it's scrolling.
this thing?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
this
this
one
already.
was yeah.
But I'm wondering about this thing. Go back to the paper here. The journal Discord button. Is there an animation when it's over?
No, not really. It's just a hover effect. So,
Alright, okay.
but don't use this button. This button was just the demo button. Maintain the button that is here is already good for it. This button is good.
Alright, no problem.
But you can just give it that square shape and this one will be there. Then view million showcase can be a tiny button at the bottom of this. Let me share this Figma with you so you can see it. Where's this guy? So you can just check that out. I think that's the final step of the docs. Then we eventually merge everything. And we ship the new docs. we're back.
All right, so I'm going to get on working the Figma file. Oh, can I send me the wait? Can I send me the Figma file, the Figma link?
I sent you a private chat.
Okay, which I've seen here. I've seen it here. Okay.
So using so next truth. Okay. So so I think this has been set up.
Okay.
The internal functions is the only ones that are not remotely headed. So
Mm,
mm, what is saying anything in the comments?
let's see. Fixing. So, okay, well,
Yeah, so I think the docs looked neater and more organized even.
yeah, actually does look more organized than before. Not like so. If I don't know where everything is going to be, the minutes.
So are you implementing the design now? Or?
Yeah, I'm implementing it. But I have a question regarding the design. Um, can you go back to the? Can you go to design on your end? Yes. What do you call it? You know that this header, that header faster than whatever witness million J's in production. Should the header be there, or should I just move the header and should just let the copies like just move through?
We can. Hmm. If you can fit in, yes, but I don't know if it's unnecessary. We cannot take it out.
Yeah, I feel like having to we just take out the header and just let like the this thing
This
neutrally.
one, build the
Alright,
million something.
alright, let me quickly get on that.
So we're watching this one here.
Okay, screen here. This screen here.
Oh, David came in. Hey, what's up, David?
Hey David, what's up? Okay, so let me quickly change this. Just white, the color of white. White,
Nice.
okay. Um, 65. Oh, shit, okay, no wonder. So I said so like just white. Just get it degree. Sorry, turn off community. Alright, so okay. Yeah, found it. So lead industry. That's again as a okay. Okay, so where is found it? So putting this aside. This community. Um, okay, so if I have this, x plus 3 have this. Okay, so that's the first way. So, two. Okay, so that's what I have there. Okay, so look like profile. Here, items, and uh,
It's coming in pretty good. I can see you actually got we made the button, I think.
yeah. I'm removing the showcase totally, right?
Which one?
Like the showcase at the top, the showcase section at the top. I'm removing it totally. The
I
faster
mean
than the
this.
rest. Yeah.
Yeah. But I can keep this
All right.
button.
Okay. I keep it where. So I should still keep it there.
At the bottom
I
of
keep
this
it
guy.
under it. Yeah. So that works. That works. That works. Then- yes, yes, yes.
So we need to delete the block in internals.
Huh?
We need to delete the block in internals.
Yeah.
Block here.
I deleted the file. I think I deleted the file. I'm not sure.
Yeah, you deleted it, but okay, it's still here in the config though. In the method adjust.
Oh,
I removed it already. I just trying to record. Next.js. Next.js.
Nope, not as a corporate. Why does it still have okay, oh, that's how it's private place. Okay, so come on, continue. Still not showing that. No, just check this here. How do I change this structure at this time? Let's carry the language. Okay, so I probably have to do that smarter. Okay, so I think this works. Yeah. So I think this works.
Mm.
Yeah, this is
Mm,
what I
okay.
have to like. Yeah, I removed this. So there was this gradient thing I didn't like. I was showing
Mm-hmm.
around the edges. You see it
Mm-hmm.
now. It's I guess you see there's this is playing out effect, but I think that's too bright. Or
Mm-hmm.
except let me try and dim it a little bit. Let me see. Nope, not that. It's really to like 10%.
Well, we can. Oh, okay, this is actually pretty good.
Yeah,
How about the
yeah, let me just
responsiveness?
see. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. I just wanted to just get this because the whiteness of it was in a way messing with my eyes. Sort of. Yeah, so let me just adjust the responsiveness to make it listen on mobile. Oh yeah, other things. Okay, so where is my components? Okay, so the flex dashboard. Okay, so if I have this as just an empty, and then empty. Okay, if I have oh why is that?
Mm.
Mm,
We're almost there.
oh, yeah, almost done. Okay, and so all right, so I think this should work now. Check it.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Okay. Let me show. Let me do it on my own screen instead. So, mm,
Let me just put a bit of that.
well, you could start it on.
Mm,
You could start it on the on tablets too.
okay, let me do that.
I could have. You could just increase the breakpoint from tablet to tablet.
Yeah, I just include the tablets. Yeah, so I've done that. Oh, my head. Okay, so if I change this, okay,
Have you done it? You are frozen.
this,
You are, you are frozen.
okay, no, yeah, I made one. I sorry, not gonna start the change. Yeah, I've changed it now, so it's working well now. About the memory.
See? Okay. I think this is pretty good though. padding on mobile. The padding top on mobile, maybe. This padding on mobile.
Yeah,
What do you,
padding on mobile.
so I look at this padding.
Let me see. Sorry. Okay, for the top right, at the top right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've removed it. Just removed it now.
Okay. This looks pretty good. So I think we're good to ship. I guess. Let's just test everything out here and see what's going on.
See, that's fine.
Yep. Okay, this looks pretty good.
Yeah. Man, I'm just reading what David said. That was making me laugh.
Okay. Yeah, I get. So this looks pretty good now. And so let's go to the docs. So I have all this set up
Okay.
here. Introduction to auto mode obviously makes sense. So you check out advanced customization to see how you can add custom options to your padding mode setup. Talk about the auto mode here. Then I give it in different tags that we support. Yep. And users can see it and basically use it. Ignoring components stay there. So muting help messages. That is one thing that I miss.
Yeah, that was.
So I can basically grab everything I have here as per tabs. Now, isn't that a lot? I mean, if I redo this again, yeah, that's a lot. I think this is self-explanatory. If you say add music,
Yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So avoid saying up messages. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory.
So wait, Joe, is it actually self-explanatory? Let's come back here because we
You
look
could
at
just
this.
put it. Yeah.
You add the mute
See
screen
that
option.
Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So the mid tree option is still going to be part of like the options, not inside of the auto. Not inside the of the auto object.
Yeah, not inside the auto object. Abi?
Yes.
Wait, is it inside the auto object? Yeah, it's
Now
inside
that
the
is it
auto.
inside the auto object or outside the auto object?
Yeah, it's inside the auto object.
Then it should be specified because then something might think that it might be outside the auto object. We should be inside the auto object. Then I think we should pretty much specify that out.
How about this?
Okay. Then we could just put like a small code snippet, just showing auto, then open the bracket, and just put it inside mix tree.
Then it's small code snippets. Yeah, but that would have to be for all of them. That's what I'm saying. Like, do we have to redo this entire thing? Yeah, again.
Oh, true. Actually, it's going to make it. I guess we can see just leave it like this for now.
Yeah. So then we have this here. Our rules of blocks being a drop down. That's all these things. The installation guide. So rules of blocks. So yeah, you're supposed to update the link of this rules of blocks that redirects us back to the installation guide. So it's supposed to be
Oh,
slash,
I don't think I updated that. Yeah.
to be slash getting started slash install instead of slash install.
Let me go to rows of blocks.
Yeah, you see at the bottom here this using the compiler.
Okay, so component blocks normal block. Okay. Okay, found it. So
So this
installation
link
guide.
doesn't
Okay, let me see.
this doesn't do anything. So this more limited set of features doesn't do anything.
Okay. So it
So
doesn't
just
do anything.
remove
So
the
what I'm using it for.
so just remove the link and make it the normal text.
Okay. Oh wait, the installation guide isn't okay. It should be slash docs slash
Slash
getting
getting
started.
started. Yeah.
Okay.
Slash
Slash install.
rules of usage.
Let me see. So change that one. Save. So which one for the wait for the blocks? Okay, rules of usage. The rules of usage is where
Yeah, rules of usage is yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, which one are you talking about?
it should be removed now. Rules of usage should be
Which
removed because rules of usage is like that link should be removed now.
this one?
The more limited set of features.
This one?
No, that more limited set of features. Now,
Yeah, but this one is broken. You're
that,
supposed to route. You're supposed to route to the section rules of blocks. I don't think I route to
yeah.
this section. This one is still writing to a page of rules of blocks, but instead it should be routing to a section.
So, is there a way that we can, once it clicks on that, you can scroll down to that rules of block?
Yeah, like you can use the hashtag something. If this rules of blocks add a header, for example, it does, right? Breaking rules of blocks. Oh, it
So once
doesn't.
that when they so once that hashtag now that when it clicks on it, yeah, I mean it scrolls down.
Yeah, so like this link I meant, this one should be updated to route you to rules of blocks down here.
Yeah. David was saying that you made wait, let me check internal, not internal. So I think it was installed. No, it
Type
was automatic
messages.
mode. Yeah, do you see? Yeah, okay, I've seen it. Thanks.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Thanks, my boss.
Thanks.
David has seen your dev.
So yeah, so this rules of blocks. Why is this page even existing still? I thought you deleted it.
That's what I'm wondering because I know I deleted it from here. I'm looking for the file,
Where
but
is the page
rules of
coming
blocks
from?
not yet. I have no idea.
But just
You change
redirect
the
it to
route.
yeah, change the routes though. Like it shouldn't be slash rules of blocks.
Okay, so it's in that in the blocks manual mode block.
Yeah, it should take the user to breaking rules of blocks instead. Like this breaking rules of blocks.
Wait, where exactly? I'm never seeing it. Which
This
page is it on? Where? Which page is that?
Go to block,
Uh-huh.
and scroll down. Scroll to you see one call to action like that. You see that there are some
Underneath okay.
there are some limitations.
Call to action. Okay. Oh, there
So
are
for
some
this rules of blocks,
limitations.
I'm taking the user to rules of blocks. This is the closest
Wait,
thing.
how do you navigate to that with MDX? You said something about a hashtag.
Yeah, like while you're doing the route, you now do a fragment of see this route here. Hash breaking rules of blocks.
I can't see a route. Yeah, just sharing the screen.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm only sharing the tab. Let me share the entire screen. Look at this. Look at this route.
Okay. Oh. Okay. So rather than it should just be a hashtag.
Also, in the JavaScript TypeScript of the blocks you created, you should probably try to use the same thing there because one is saying lion block, the other is saying my component, and it's not saying my block.
So actually, that should be changed. Yeah. Let me check on that right now. There are some limitations.
Are you still doing something or was always this error?
Yeah, I'm still doing something.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still doing something. Ah, I can't use the hashtag because of it's a this thing. It's a detail tag. I'm not using like the MDX hashtag.
Yeah, but like if you used it, it will still take you there to that page. Wait, what do you mean?
Okay.
You can't use the hashtag.
Wait, let me see. It is that okay when we want them to click on the rules of blocks, we just want it
Mm-hmm.
to take them where exactly we want to click. Because you know that now the rules of block, the heading is not really a heading, but
Yeah,
it's
that's
like
what I'm
the
saying.
heading
Like
from like the detail.
use the
Yeah.
nearest edge, which is
Oh, the nearest heading. Okay, which is that breaking rules of blocks. Okay. Okay, so I think I've done that. Let me check. Ah, where is this page coming from?
what page?
This breaking rules of blocks. These rules of blocks.
Wait, it's not routing into the. It's not taking you to the route. Or what do you mean?
Oh, I'm just wondering where. Okay, sorry. Let me change the block. It's taking me to the route, but I'm just wondering where that route is coming from.
Next
Sounds
try is
like
weird.
okay, so yeah, that rules of block. But I've deleted the files. Is it still in the build or something?
No, you have not changed the route. Though. It's supposed to be slash dog slash
Or
manual
I
mode.
just changed it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. With slash docs.
Slash manual mode slash block then hashtag that route.
Yes. Slash docs slash manual dash mode slash block slash breaking the rules. It's not scrolling down to me. That's good.
It's not going there.
It's not going down to it.
I've not even
That's
seen.
one other
I've not even
screen.
seen- The thing is still throwing me errors on my own end. Why is that? Giving me errors here.
Oh, which errors? It's not showing an error, man.
I'm seeing this
Load
error.
addition failed because the initial UI didn't reduce. That's weird.
Seeing this error on my own end. Okay, it works now. That's cool.
But see, it doesn't do anything.
Slash docs, slash manual mode, slash block, hashtag, breaking rule of blocks.
I see what happens. So if you open the drop down.
Mm-hmm.
Have you opened the drop down? Have you opened the
Mm-hmm.
drop down?
Yes.
Then go and click on. All right, go and click on this thing. Click on click on the link. That rules of blocks. Click on it. Up. No, that's yeah. So go up to that place. That no, like go back. I've never updated that one, so actually let me update it. Okay. So have you opened the drop down?
Mm-hmm. I'm coming. I'm getting errors
Once you
here.
open the drop, okay.
Drop down. Yeah, I've opened it.
Now once you open the drop down here, now
Mm-hmm.
go back, go like to that top place. Go to that top, to the top. Now click on the rules of blocks.
But that's when it now takes me there.
Yeah, that's when that takes you there. So there's something weird like with that.
But because it has not been mounted on the UI now, so it doesn't actually know where it is. So I think
Yeah.
that's
So how are we now going to do that?
we can just remove the call to action altogether. Or make it a section. A section that is foldable like rules of blocks. But that does not make sense.
Yeah.
But we can just remove the call to action.
Just move the call to action B.
Yeah.
I guess that's just better. Just going
Also,
to
do the lion block and block thing for JavaScript, TypeScript.
Oh yeah. Let me work on that. Let me do that quickly.
But you didn't do JavaScript, TypeScript for the entire page now.
No, just for that place. Because I do that majority of like that syntax is going to work either for TypeScript or for JavaScript.
So
That is why I did like further changes for everything.
okay. Also, you said you were going to update these links as well.
Huh?
Said you're
I
going to
updated
update
those
these
three
links.
links.
Okay, I'm changing some.
Yeah. That TypeScript, JavaScript. Alright, so I did the stuff on you. So I've done it. So you can check it.
So, so I was somebody was suggesting something. David was suggesting something to me as I was responding to him. So because I think we're already where we want to be in terms
Mm-hmm.
of updates and everything. So blog. So have you added this three link?
Have I added which link?
This
Yeah, I've
ones.
added them. I've added them. Yeah.
Mm, so you didn't remove this link.
Oh yeah, let me remove the CTA. The course.
Yeah, the CTA and this one more limited set of. There's a more limited clinical set of features available.
Oh, okay, okay.
It
I
doesn't
was
go
just
anywhere.
checking.
It should just be a normal text.
There are some limitations. Yes, I removed that first CTA and what is that? More limitations. I know it was more limitations. Okay, I found it. Alright, so I think that's done. So that's done. Check it out.
So let's see what's going on.
Wait, what's that? Hello, can you hear
What
me?
you
What's
say?
that?
Yes,
I
I
said,
was
what's
just
that?
looking
What's the
at.
issue? What's that error for?
Could not pass
Hmm?
expression.
Sure, let me see something. Oh, I
Contaminated.
think I. Oh, sorry. I tried commenting out that call out. Yeah, it should work now.
Okay. So I think that is pretty much a lot of things that we've done right now. Rules of usage. Maybe rules of usage policy. I don't know. This is
I
very
think
misleading.
so. Is there anything else?
This is kind of misleading.
Actually.
These rules of usage are very misleading. I'm looking at it from the side here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So rules of usage. Dynamic option. Top level values. Um, use of usage shouldn't be at. I make it an H3. This guy's an
Yeah.
H4. Let me see what happens. I think we're pretty good to go. We're good to go.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I think I'm pretty much good to go. So I think you just to push then I guess.
Hmm? Let me see.
I said just push then.
Yeah, but this looks good to go. We have the footer section. We have this guy. I added this. So I think we're good to go. So let's
Okay.
push this. And let's ship the new drop. Oh, wait, let's watch the video that we were watching.
Okay, so say maybe we probably hopefully we didn't miss anything, right?
Yeah.
Right. Like I feel like we should have like the syntax. If we're like offering the syntax, we should
Mm-hmm.
just have the title. This is title. Yeah.
Here. Makes sense.
Yeah. I don't know what this means. Like how to integrate millionaire project. Like I thought I just integrated it here. I don't think that's a correct title.
Yeah, I think this ties into us doing the switch thing, which would actually help. Like
Yeah.
that manual automatically.
Yeah, and this
Yeah.
is yeah.
Because it's how we do that, or we do the sections thing where we separate million out. But I'll just read extract notes to see how they implement the switching thing.
Yeah.
But it's other so
Mhm. Rules of blocks. This is fine. I mean, I think this is a little outdated. We might need to update it. Usage with TypeScript. Okay. Virtualization. Okay. And
Which
then
did you update?
internals.
Did you make the
Also,
update of that lion block, something block for TypeScript, JavaScript? Oh, you made it. Okay, you made the updates. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I was watching.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we should expose internals. Maybe like maybe I don't
Remove
know.
it.
I think we should have it still, but I don't know where we should put it. Like, probably shouldn't think about where that should be put. Um, but honestly, like the docs should be 3 pages at most. Like introduction, installation. Like this should be like, okay, just run the fucking the CLI, right? And this one is just like, okay, if you want to integrate it yourself, just you can integrate here. And the third one is like, if you want to configure it, you're done. And like I like in my personal opinion, like 90% of people will just only go to those 3 pages, and so we should just by default show only those 3 pages. Yeah,
Okay, I get you. That makes a lot of sense.
yeah, and I think for
Yeah,
these,
rules of
Mhm.
what are the new rules of blocks we are adding that we need to update?
Also, Aiden, there is a bit of unclarity by to add that mute thing. I saw at the end.
Mhm.
At the end, you mentioned that you can mute by this, but how can I know where can I put this?
Oh, I see.
So adding a snippet below would be helpful too.
Sure, that makes a lot of sense.
Mm,
Um,
mm,
probably we should, yeah, definitely specify that, and also like maybe show an example, like here.
yeah.
Yeah,
Mm, okay.
we should
Also, Toby showed me how to update. Yes, sorry.
Oh, sorry. If you switch to auto, you actually see the parts where you can add options. I think if you switch to automatic, scroll
Yeah.
down. Oh, okay. I didn't explicit it. Go ahead, Rishi.
Pardon?
Rishi, you were saying something.
I was saying that you helped me update my config file. So also that information isn't there. Like you mentioned that I can change how much optimization do I want with the Krakow with threshold in the auto mode.
Well, I added that in how to use automatic mode. I think I added that bit of information in how to use automatic mode.
Yes, those little bit things would be helpful for user.
Mm, I guess you. I think I added that bit too. Are you there, Adrian?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Goes like how to use automatic mode. I think I added that bit of information.
Uh, yeah. Oh wait, why is it linked weird? I think this link is broken.
Bro.
Also, I don't think this title should be how to use automatic mode. I feel like automatic mode has enough clarity. And then yeah.
So I think I like the 3 pages thing you suggested too. I like that very much.
Yeah, like
Shouldn't be that.
the less time you spend on our docs, the better. Like that's the bet like best result we have, right? Like we don't want to use like don't spend time on our website. Just get coding. This is like just like the point is you install it and makes it faster and don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that makes
The
sense.
user comes back to the site when he or she is having some issues with Million.
That is a good point. Like I think so. Like from where it stand, like the real issues we have right now are just like. Let me go through the issues. Like everything is like kind of fucked right now. So this one is this we're not gonna think. He hasn't.
Okay, he hasn't.
Oh yeah, poster. Crazy. Not this. I don't.
So I think we're officially
Oh, we fixed. This is also fixed in latest compiler. Latest, yeah.
we're officially done. Done and dusted.
It was a good run.
Time to push and
So
merge.
that's one of my camera. Yeah, yeah. Let's push and merge now.
Ship the new dogs.
Okay. Mm. So I think everything has been battle tested and everything is looking good so far.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I'm proud of
So
this.
what'd you say?
I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm so proud of this.
So this is currently being
Yeah.
um
Mm-hmm. So this one now. Well, so what next actually? So when is the next stream? Aside from this,
probably next week. We might be building 100 live from now on.
yeah, I'm really looking forward to that actually. Software engineering things.
Yeah, take it down, guys. Right. Updates to the um, ship improved documentation for users of million would thank you at the blue notes at Ricardo invest in. So time to review our changes and see that they actually are working live. Then we merge. So let's see our
Just have
changes.
the virtual deployment as the deployment checks fast. Okay,
Yeah, it
good.
has, but let's view it to see. So seeing our changes. Okay. Ah, what's going on? No, now what's going on? I just pushed now. Wait, did this stuff now push or something? So what's going on? And please don't tell me it's doing this annoying thing again. How come this one is here, but like the ones of the dogs is not there? This thing is so annoying. We've made all these updates now. Could be wrong. What could be wrong? Let me even view our changes to see.
I was talking so much I didn't know that was muted.
What?
Anyhow, yeah, the changes are there.
So why am I not seeing it on the Vassal deployment?
Ting, ting, ting. Lamasibai.
Wait, wait, what? Well, what does this gray sign mean?
Mm,
Is that is nitpicking changes I want to make or what? Or what does the grace sign? I don't follow.
I don't think it needs tweaking changes because things that what about the other ones that are not actually grayed out, but their changes are not reflecting?
Oh, so wait, do I need to trigger a deployment or something?
I don't think so, but this is so shocking me as to why it's not changing.
Sure checks.
Okay, no, no.
Take me to the Vercel, please.
Universal deployment logs are successful. So, oh wait, oh, what about you add like a route? Just go to put like the route directly. Go to slash doc slash block slash doc slash manual mode or automatic mode or something. Let's see. Slash manual mode dash mode slash block slash block. Ah, so the pages are there. Scroll down, we scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Let's see if that drop down stuff is there. So the page is actually there. So it's probably just the meta dodges, what is controlling the sidebar that is not updated.
Really? Interesting. I'm coming. So this is docs and this is meta.json. This is what I have there literally. Getting started. Is it like I'm getting any errors? Okay. Okay, it's there now. Thank God. I love your hard work. Oh, thank you very much, Prince. I appreciate it. Apparently, we needed to manually retrigger the deployment. So messed up. So let's refresh this guy and see what's going on now. So we should automatically have the new. Yes, 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 it's here. We did it. It's here, it's here. So all I had to do was manually trigger the deployment, and it worked. So it works now, and we have all our changes live.
Was it from version I actually manually got retrieve guys?
Yeah, I went to Vercel directly to go and trigger the deployment. So now that all our changes are there, now it's time to merge. Now we are merging. So we are done. So we did it. Say cheese.
Since I remind us a bit of, I was trying to quickly like sort out something that came up unexpectedly. Yeah.
No, it's what did you say?
I said sorry, my mind like towards the end, my mind was a bit off. I was trying to quickly sort out something that just came up unexpectedly.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Uh, yeah,
So
but this was very chill. Yeah. Ah, I'm gonna put in my resume. What gonna put my resume? Oh yeah, this was actually fun. Uh, uh,
so so we did it,
uh,
and that is all the
that's all.
stream.
Yeah.
I was almost 4.
All
Damn,
4 hours.
what did you?
Wow, that's crazy. But I actually love to do this again. But this was actually
Yep. It was definitely fun. Definitely. So let me check million.dev. We should see our changes live. Yep, it's live. Our changes are live. Wait, what?
fun.
They are not
Eh?
live. Oh.
They're actually not live. Wait, hold up. Is this in that version thing? Because the carousel that I did is actually live. Check the
Yeah.
version. Go ahead. I think probably have to retrigger the deployment from version again. But
Oh no.
Why does version keep doing that?
Why is this thing annoying now? Oh, none of the links there are broken.
Yeah, sorry.
Wait, this thing is confusing me. Oh. Because on Vercel it says that it's different.
Okay, I continue that. Wait, have you got to trigger the deployment from version?
Yeah, I'm trying to retrigger it now.
It's weird because Normally, once you have made the PR, the payment should already kind of like show it.
View build logs. Wow, this is. Don't use build cache. Same source code.
The build
Wait,
crashed.
is he using build cache? It's not now, Avi. Because why is this thing so annoying? Our changes should be live on million.dev right now, but they are not. It still has tutorial. Did you see that tutorial on the live site?
Tutorial for wait, tutorial where
Like it has all those old links, like even the oldest ones. Like it's
for
not. It's
reals.
like we didn't even touch the docs at all. That's the way it's looking like.
Yeah, yeah. I see so tutorial. It didn't even change at all.
But the link is broken.
Mm-mm. Wait, chill. Let me check because the links are going to be broken now. It's showing four follow found.
Yeah, that's the thing because
Huh?
yeah,
Because we have updated like yeah.
these are not our changes. Wait, wait. Promote to production. Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. I'm trying something here then.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if this will do it. Okay, it's live now. It's live now.
Okay. Finally. All right. Let me check it out. Let me check it out.
What is going on? Yes, it's live. Yes. Ah, fuck. Sorry. YouTube. Yeah,
Actually,
actually
yeah, I've
so annoying.
seen it. It's
But
like
I think I like this though. They have like staging, then they have production. So you can manually come here and be playing with how you
oh,
want
toggle bit. Okay.
tournaments,
Oh.
and you can easily roll back in case you don't want a change or something.
Actually, yeah, the changes are finally live. Finally live. Finally. Uh, but that's
Because
rare. I think I need to do more research to resource deployment process.
What'd you say?
I need to like do more research into like resource deployment process.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's really this was really annoying, by the way. This was very, very annoying.
It really was.
So I think that is the end of today's stream. To all that stayed till the end, thank you very much for hanging out with us. Really appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah,
Thank you.
really do.
And we'll see you around. And we hope to, you know, hear your feedback on the live stream that happened today. So I'm extremely tired. So I actually don't know any other words to say. So let me just shut my head out and go and sleep. I literally woke up from sleep to this stream. So yeah,
Uh,
I was having breakfast during the stream.
that's what divorce in our age.
So let me go now, everyone. Thank you
Me
everyone for
right
stopping.
now. Me right now. See the
Yeah.
chance of work as I do like this. Oh, honestly. Yeah,
Thank you very
sure.
much. I
Sure.
really appreciate this.
I know.
Bye.
You really appreciate it.